Repairing the rear camera of the Renault Espace, homemade camera, and these are the wires which were broken. More exactly, this wire was here and the end looked like that. I did not cut that end and it broke there. So this is mechanical failure. This is not a cut. All three wires, including the black outer insulation, broke. Only the yellow was used, by the way. So that's why the camera was not working. I should use a much softer cable. This is silicone wire. It's flexible and very soft. And I made a cut in the metal, that one, and I want to get the wire out under this rubber. It will not enter into that one. It will stay outside. I can repair it whenever it's needed, and that should go below that white plastic. Electrical tape was added here, 1 and 2, and the wire should enter between. Two wires are joined inside and this soft wire will enter here. And now put the rubber on. The wire exits below the rubber. So here's the camera's signal wire. Camera is fixed here using duct tape. Nothing fancy. It's black, it should not be too visible. JST connectors. I replaced the camera. The image is so contrasty. Okay, there's sunshine outside, but it's so contrasty that I cannot distinguish almost anything. Here is sunshine, here is the shadow of the car. I cannot see the hook back there. Plus, it's not wide angle at all. It was advertised as 170 degrees. Lucky if it is 90 degrees. So the dynamic range of this camera is very poor. The viewing angle is also very bad. So the previous drone FPV camera was much better. It was wider and it had a wider dynamic range. It was automatically adjusting itself, brightening the shadows and darkening the highlights. This is not doing that. But that camera is not made for car reverse cameras. It doesn't have waterproofing. Plus the cables are very thin and sensitive. So let's check the viewing angles. I have two gloves. One glove is up here on those cements and the other glove is here next to that 45-degree wood. And let's check that viewing angle. So here's the back of the car. The camera which is here is seeing till here and till there. That's not 170 degrees at all. That's lucky if it's 90 degrees, around half of that. From the other side, here is the glove. That one is visible, and here's the other glove. That one is also visible. So the camera is seeing only till here, till there. It's not seeing what is outside, and it's not seeing what is that way. So if I stand here or even there, the camera is not seeing me. The camera is there. Even that hook is barely visible. I don't see it even myself, but the hook is somewhere here in the lower right corner. So it's not in the center because the camera is not in the center, plus the camera is not wide angle enough, so it is somewhere there. If I place the gloves on that portion, then that green will be visible on the camera. Yes, there is something green in the lower right corner of the display. By the way, the 170-degree camera is called fisheye, and fisheye lenses are rounded outside And this is not rounded outside, it's rounded inside. Is that visible? It's inside, it's not outside. So just by looking at the lens, you can know that this is not fisheye. Of course, in the advertisement, it looked different. In order to get this wire out, I have to cut into the plastic a little bit. Angle grinder, somewhere there. And now the signal wire exits here. From the plastic, goes inside here to the camera, and not in that tube, but outside from the plastic and below the metal and that textile looking thing. And if we close it, it's in friction. This tube is in friction with that one. Now it's on this side, not below it. That rubber, the large one, is in friction with the other rubber. This is in friction with that. Test. It's on 1. Camera is not working. Give it power and it starts. And a lot of sunshine and a lot of shadow, and you can barely see something. The hook theoretically is here, and whatever, it's working. The cable, which is up there, that was interrupted because the rear door is being opened and closed. That's how wide angle the camera is, 170 degrees. The hook is visible here, I can barely see it. Okay, and you cannot see the horizon, so this is good only for parking, not for going backward. Okay, I understand that it's night, but can you see something? Is that the car? Put it in reverse. Yes, that's the car. There's the license plate. So the field of view is terrible. That's the license plate, which is maybe that large. So it's seeing a tiny amount. So this is very bad. I placed back the old camera and the image is brighter and it's much wider.